will guide you through how to control your Streamlabs settings effectively to optimize your streaming experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs desktop on your computer. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings menu, you'll find several tabs on the left side. Let's start with the General tab. Here you can customize your language, theme, and even decide if you want Streamlabs to start when your computer boots up. Next, head over to the Stream tab. This is where you link your streaming platform, like Twitch or YouTube. Make sure you select the correct platform from the dropdown and connect your account. Now, go to the Output tab, which is crucial for your stream quality. Under the Output mode, select Advanced for more control. Set your video bitrate depending on your internet speed, usually between 2500 to 6000 for a good quality stream. The encoder should be set to either X264 or NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU for better performance. Moving on, check out the Audio tab. Here, you can set your microphone and desktop audio devices. Make sure the correct device is selected, and adjust the volume sliders to your preference. For better audio quality, consider enabling noise suppression and other enhancements. Now, visit the Video tab. This is where you can adjust the bass and output resolutions. For most streamers, 1920 by 1080 is ideal. Also, set the common FPS values to 60 for a smooth stream. Lastly, go to the ADVNC tab for some additional tweaks, like process priority and network settings. Once you're done, click on DONDIS to save your settings. Remember, you can always come back and tweak these settings as needed to improve your stream quality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.